Hi, welcome to the Danville Public Library. I'm Miss Nancy, and this week we're doing something with flowers. I'm so excited that May is here and we get to see all these pretty flowers. And the cool thing about this week's craft is that once you're finished, you could even take an extra piece of string and hang it up and give it to someone special. So the other thing is you can pick this up at curbside or you can pick it up by coming in. We'd love either way. Of course, we so miss seeing you. And in this kit, you will find everything you need pretty much. So you have directions, you have a paper plate, you have some yarn, you have some flower cutouts, and you have some green paper, some fun things to do. And then also you'll find one of the little squares here, and this is all about our summer reading program. We really want you to join. You can read and get prizes. Super simple. There's a QRS if mom or dad or you have a cell phone. All you have to do is use the QRS reader and sign up. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to come in or call and we'll be happy to help you. All right, and also this is a really cool book, and we have lots of other cool books at the library about flowers. So some things that you don't have that are not included are you're going to need some like crayons or colored pencils or markers, some type of glue. A little tape can be very helpful, and some scissors. So the first thing that you want to do is take your plate and you want to color it. Now, it's up to you. But basically, we're going to make the bottom like land or grass, and the top is going to be like the sky. So, just choose some colors that you like, and just color away. And what you're wanting is to end up with the bottom, about a third or so. And you know what? It's not exact science. It's okay. So, however much grass you want, and then however much sky. So, just color, 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 color. Just kind of like that. Pretty. And then maybe like a little extra green in there so you can switch it up with some other colors. Anyways, you'll color until you have the whole thing filled in with green or some type of color like that. And then the top part is going to be blue, like the sky, so you can kind of do some blue. I like to mix my things up. I like to do a little marker and a little colored pencil for different shading. But you can do whatever you want. If you have a favorite, you should definitely use that. And then I like to get some other color in, so I probably will put a little of purple in there too, just to give it some different kind of color to it. Anyways, you want to color the whole plate. So the top is kind of a blue kind of sky, and the bottom is kind of a green. Then the next thing that you want to do is, this is where the tape comes in handy. Pick an end, and you're going to take a little piece of tape, and you're going to just tape the end of the yarn. Now the reason why you want to do this is it kind of stiffens it up a little bit, and it'll make it easier to do the next part. And the next part is kind of like sewing, but not that hard. So there's these holes in the plate, and you're going to take your tape side of the yarn and you're going to put it through the hole, and you're going to go all the way across, just like that. And all the way across to the other one. Now, you're going to pull it all the way through, and once you have enough, you'll tape the other end to the back of the paper plate so it doesn't pull through. Just a little piece of tape, just like that. Now, you can get creative with your sewing here. You can go just straight back and forth like this. You can come in the very next hole and go back like this. And just continue that way. Or you can get a little creative here and kind of skip a hole and maybe go back to another hole like this. Just kind of create a little pattern. And if you want, save a little bit of the yarn, cut a little piece off, and use it, and we'll use it at the end to hang it up. So just kind of make any kind of design, just so you get like nice and full grass at the bottom, like that. Then you're going to need this piece of paper, and these flowers need some stems. So that's just like a long rectangle. And I'm just going to make different lengths. And there's 3, or however many you want to make, really. So there we go. There's some rectangles. Maybe one more long one. And then flowers need some leaves. So what you're going to do is cut kind of like an oval-ish kind of thing. Just kind of picture what you think a leaf might look like. I like a little pointed end with like kind of like an oval shape. But it doesn't have to look like this. You can make your leaves look kind of, you can make long leaves. Kind of where you just make kind of like a rectangle like we did before, only if you take a rectangle and you cut the end to be more like a triangle, like this, then you can have a kind of leaf like that, which I'm going to make this one just a little bit thinner, I think, so you can see what long, thin ones look like. And we're just kind of making it a triangle at the end, so you have like long, spiky leaves. Kind of like that. Anyways, however you want to make them. And then you're going to take, you have 3 different flowers that are big in different shapes. Yours might not look exactly like this, and that's okay. You put the 3 big flowers down, and then you take these and kind of mix it up like this. And you'll glue it all down. So it looks kind of like this in the end. Now, it doesn't have to look like this. You can mix it up any way you want to. You could put another one on here. You could put 2 on here. You could make it 2 with these together. That's the really cool thing about art and crafts, is you can make it any way you want to make it just special for you. And then on the back you could write, "I love you," or "You are special," and sign your name. Then, like I said, just take a little piece of the yarn, probably about that big. Then you just have to tape it on the back. Now you'll make sure that, unlike mine, you want to make sure you glue down your flowers and your stems and your leaves. Finish filling this in. Tape on the back, hang it up, and you'll have a super cute craft to give to someone special. Well, we sure miss you, so come in and pick up your craft kit. Make sure you sign up for summer reading, and have a great day. Bye.